Hello friends, my name is Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, today I'm going to show you how you can convert your JPG file into PDF online. So keep watching. So friend, first of all I'm going to open my Google Chrome. This is my Google Chrome, and now I'm going to open my Google Chrome into my private window, and here I'm going to open google.com and simply type JPG to PDF, and here I'm going to open this website ilovepdf.com, and here I'm going to select that image I want to convert into PDF. So simply this image is available on my desktop, that's why I'm going to select and upload this image. And here you can see many options are available, like if you want to convert this image into portrait, so you can do these things. If you want to convert into landscape, simply click on this landscape, so it will fill up complete image on the page. And here if you want to select the options here, if you want to add image fit with the layout, so you can select over here. Many options are available, so you can check with the preview, and if you want to add with the small, so you can do like this. Okay, so here I'm going to select the fill same page and convert to PDF. This is the button, click on that. So this website will convert this image into PDF, and here you will get the download PDF option. So this is the PDF. Here I'm going to cut and paste on my desktop, and here I'm going to open that website. What this website is offering you, if you want to share link, simply click on this, so you will get this link, copy and share with your friend, so he or she can get this image in PDF. Okay, and second thing, here I'm going to test it is converted or not. That's why I'm going to open. So friend, you can see this image is converted into PDF. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on this like button and share with your friends and family, so they can also learn about these things. And if you are coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, so you will get latest tutorial like this. And if maybe you have any question or query, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me, and we will meet in next video.